Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Tampa-based Congresswoman Kathy Castor. I'm thrilled to be joined by Kelly Paris, the Executive Director of the Children's Board of Hillsborough County, Katie Roders Turner, and George Masson from the Family Healthcare Foundation. Thank you all for being here today. Because we know that families across this community are really grappling with higher costs. The cost of living is really weighing on families, whether it's groceries, housing, just getting by. But we have good news when it comes to lower cost health insurance and lower cost health care that families really need, and a deadline that is coming up. Here's the good news. Under the Affordable Care Act, there are new tax credits that have lowered the cost of health insurance for your family. If you remember back years ago, before the Affordable Care Act, it was very difficult for families to afford health insurance, especially in this community because we have so many small business owners, we have so many part-time employees, we have so many working in the hospitality industry. Oftentimes, their employers do not even offer health insurance. So after the Affordable Care Act, what that did is that brought everyone together, created an online shopping marketplace under healthcare.gov. It funded navigators, independent advisors from your local community that could help you sort through the options. And what we have today is a very efficient, low-cost option for families. We have a lot of competition in Florida. We have expanded tax credits that make it very affordable, and we have the help that you need to work with folks from the University of South Florida or the Children's Board or the foundation here that can help you sort through all of those plans and select the option that works best for you. This is very popular. There are more families that have signed up under healthcare.gov and the Affordable Care Act than ever before because the costs are so low now. It's so affordable. But there is a deadline coming up. We're going to talk about that deadline. January 15th is the deadline. And we're very fortunate because right here in North Tampa, here in Hillsborough County, on Friday afternoon, we have free help available from experts that care about you and your family that can help you sort through all of those options. So let's hear more about it. Katie, are you first up to talk a little bit more about what you're going to be doing here?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Good. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Congresswoman. Oh, sure. Thank you. Thank you so much, Congresswoman Castor and the Children's Board of Hillsborough County, to Kelly Paris, to the Resource Centers, all for having us here. The Family Healthcare Foundation, in partnership with our partners with Baycare Health System, Tampa General Hospital, Premier Community Healthcare, Avara Health down in Pinellas, and then of course our University of South Florida partners, are so thankful for the opportunity to help children and families at the Resource Center year-round, and in particular for the open enrollment period, which is ending on January 15th. Through the generosity of the Children's Board of Hillsborough County, the University of South Florida, Hillsborough County Board of County Commissioners, and Florida Healthy Kids, our navigators are here to help families find affordable health care options. That could be through the health insurance marketplace, through Florida Medicaid, through Florida Kid Care, or even the Hillsborough County Health Care Plan. As Congresswoman Castor mentioned, we will be here this Friday from 1 to 5 p.m. helping families enroll in healthcare coverage. And then again next Friday at the Brandon location on the 14th, which would be the last day, or last Friday before the deadline. So we are just so thrilled to be able to be here and to provide these services to the community. And we cannot thank you enough all for all of your support. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Katie. I want to encourage the citizens of Hillsborough County to go to your Family Resource Center, your Children's Board Family Resource Center. There's 7 around Hillsborough County. So it should be an option that is convenient to everyone. If you need assistance or you need guidance, we have computer labs in each of the centers that you're able to use for your family. And also, this is the most important time, I think, in the history of the Affordable Care Act for families to take advantage of insurance. And I appreciate Congresswoman Castor's support of the ACA. I think some of the most important legislation we've had that in recent decades to come out of Washington, and it's so beneficial to the children and families of Hillsborough County. So please go to your Family Resource Center. We have bilingual staff there at all times, so make sure that you get there by January 15th and get that enrollment done so that you're healthy for 2022. Thank you.
That's great. George, you want to say anything? Anyone speak Spanish? Anyone speak Spanish?
George does speak Spanish.
Would you mind saying a few words in Spanish about what we just said? Yeah.
Enrolled by January 15th.
I don't know, I feel sorry.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. It's muy importante to sign up for your health insurance, but I think it's really important right now to recognize that families really are feeling squeezed by the higher cost of living. But the good news is that there are health insurance options that are very affordable thanks to new tax credits. People all across America are signing up for affordable health insurance. There are many, many options to sort through. So we have trusted, independent advisors from the Children's Board of Hillsborough County, the University of South Florida, that can sit down with you. So come on to the Family Resource Centers across the Hillsborough County, but here in North Tampa, off of Bears Avenue, Friday afternoon, January 7th, 1 to 5. You can come on in and get help with signing your family up for health insurance. What a wonderful way to begin the new year, making sure that your family is covered if something happens and you get sick. So thank you again, Callie and Carrie and George, Katie and George, for being here today.
Thank you.
Any questions?